This is the bike. I need to clean it a little bit. It's a little dirty. But I drove through some puddles, and that's what happens when you have a bike. It goes outside. So I wanted to do a really quick accessory video. I'm not going to go too in-depth on it. I don't even know if the audio will work. I might do a more in-depth one eventually. But we got it's an aftermarket headlight wired into the factory plug. I'll have links to everything as we go. We have the new throttle for the new motor, which is down here. That's a 1,000-watt motor, and it goes up to 32 miles per hour. And I'm still doing a range test, so don't have an accurate number for that yet. I just wanted to get this up so you guys could see what my bike's all about and how I got it set up. So, got the throttle here for the new motor. It's controlled by hitting this button to turn it on and hitting that button to turn it off. It tells you your battery, if it's full, half, or empty, and it completely shuts off when it goes empty. I've already tested that. I got these aftermarket mirrors. I used to have two, but I took this one out and lost the piece to put it back in the other. I don't know, it must have fell out somewhere. So right now I have one mirror, which I'll probably be adding another one just for aesthetics. I got this bike bag. It's like a carbon fiber look, and inside it has tools. I use this a lot, so I have it up here in front. My 360 camera, I think it's called a unicorn adapter. It goes on your helmet up here. I got a toolkit and an inner tube in that top portion. The bottom portion, which I need to actually get into, so let me stick you back where you were. Another pocket here. Basically gloves, which I need, and a granola bar and a chocolate chip Cliff bar. Oh, my gloves just blew off. Alright. We got another bag down here that holds my wallet and keys and extra GoPro batteries, and then anything else I need to have. So I'm not really going to open those up. But an extra bag to hold more stuff. And then this has my battery bank in it. So the battery bank runs up here and plugs into my phone. The phone adapter I got is really cool. You just go like this, and it comes out and goes in like that. It's pretty secure. Doesn't move around a lot. I've tightened it a lot. And then we got the 360 motorcycle mount. Works for bikes too. Then we got my thumb throttles that I just started selling yesterday. So if you want to check those out, $15. Pretty inexpensive, bunch of different colors. But this is not a video about those. I do carry a knife just in case, and mace for animals if they come after me. It happens. I do have a bike lock down here. It's not the best bike lock in the world, but it will do in a pinch if I need it. Like if I have to go to the bathroom or something, I can lock my bike up. I do carry a raincoat this time of year. You never know when it's going to rain. The bag has a cover to go over it to protect everything inside. And then I got my water bottle and my hat, and it's all in a carabiner. Now I have this water bottle. It's just to keep this pocket from flapping around, because if you take this out, this goes everywhere, and I actually don't even have that on. So, got my rear light. I have a light that goes back here that I think I actually took off. I'm gonna work on the lighting soon. And I still need to cover my back fender. I just gotta take this off and do some work. We got the electric padded seat that came with it on Black Friday. I don't even know if you can get those anymore, but it's pretty comfortable. Again, I rode 27, 28 miles the other day, and my butt didn't hurt at all, so that's good. And that is about it. I do have some LEDs on the bottom frame for nighttime. I got spoke covers for both wheels. I just gotta put them back on that one. I just swapped that out. And then my vinyl wrap job, which is probably the highlight of the whole bike. And we'll just do a walk around, and then I'll do a drive around. How's that? Alright. Pretty quick video. If you want me to go more in depth on anything, please let me know. The camera I'm using is an Insta360 1X2 and a GoPro Hero 7 Black. And yeah, this is my Lectric XP 20 by 4 inch tires, dual motor setup, a 500 watt and a 1000 watt at the minimum. And then right now we're doing 2 throttles, and I'm getting ready to eliminate this and wire that motor up to this throttle. So that'll be coming soon.